guys, Vlogmas 24, and in today's video we are making fried rice. Yes, though this is for my daughter's school lunch, it's exam season and I always ask, what do you want to take for lunch? And she mentioned fried rice and I said, why not make a video for you guys so you all can see how easy it is to make fried rice, and you can actually try this during the holidays. So yeah, as you can see, I've put some vegetable oil. You can use coconut oil or any other oil you feel like using. I added some onions and a bit of scotch bonnet. Yes, it's for a kid, so I'm trying to be very mindful with the scotch bonnet. So you just want to stir this around. At this point, I already washed my rice with cold water, room temperature water by the way. I already washed my rice and I've allowed it to drain out all of the water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to stir fry this until I feel it's dry enough. This process helps your food stay in the flask for a longer time without going sour, and it tastes better. Since I learned about this process, I haven't done it any other way. It's just the best. And I'm using short grain rice. The reason is because this rice is my daughter's favorite. It's softened up easily. It's just the way kids like it. Okay, she doesn't like hard rice, so this one comes in handy, and that is why I'm making just a little quantity. So you want to stir this around until it's dry, like I said. So guys, at this point, if you're not adding any chicken broth or beef broth, go ahead and add some seasoning, like seasoning cubes, curry powder, thyme, whatever seasoning that you like to use. Add it now and keep stir frying until you are satisfied. But because I'm adding some chicken broth, delicious chicken broth at that, I'm not going to add any other ingredients. I'm just using my chicken broth. And here we go, adding my chicken broth because my rice is ready, like so. And I'm just going to add that. I'm going to add a bit more water because I need more water for this to cook properly. So I'm going to add a bit more and I'll just cover it and allow it to cook. Though I added a bit of salt because I didn't use much salt for my chicken broth, so I'm just going to add a bit of salt and more water, and that is all. So at this point, my rice is ready. I just added a bit of vegetable oil. I used soy oil to fry my chicken. I wanted the chicken flavor in there as well, so I added a bit of that to my pan, and I have some chopped onion inside my veggies, so I'm not going to be adding any other onion. So this veggie, I made a video of how I prep it, and I don't know which one you'll be seeing first, maybe this one, maybe that one, but yeah, I made a video of how I prep my veggies. These have been stored in the refrigerator for some days before I used it, so it's still very fresh. That's exactly what I was trying to tell you guys in the video. So go ahead and prep your veggies in advance so you don't get to go through all of the hassle when you need it. So as you can see, I've stir fried everything. I'm just going to add a bit of curry and thyme, and yeah, just ginger and garlic powder. This is the one I use whenever I'm not using the fresh ones. So you just want to stir fry quickly, add a bit of everything, and yeah, you're good to go. I have some chopped liver I also made with my chicken, so I added that as well into this mix, and that's basically everything. The next thing you do, or the last thing you do, is to add your rice, stir it until it's well fried, until everything is well combined, and you have yourself a delicious, tasty fried rice. Like I said, this is for my daughter's school lunch, and for me to be making this in the morning before school, it was so fast. Everything went on for in less than 10 to 15 minutes. I was done with all of the process because I have this whole thing figured out before now. I went ahead to get my daughter's clothing out. I did other things. I bought water for her to bathe, so you can imagine the time I've saved doing other things instead of dicing veggies for fried rice. So do this and thank me later. So I'm just going to add my rice, mix it, and you see what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're liking my vlogmas videos so far, please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Yeah, share it so other people can know that I am doing vlogmas this year. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't go anywhere as the video haven't ended yet. Thank you and have a blessed day.